What if there was only one season? Seasons are the result of the Earth's tilt, the axis or the imaginary line through the North and South poles that our planet spins around isn't straight up and down. It's actually tilted in about a 23.5-degree angle. As the Earth makes its journey around the Sun, which represents 1 year, this axis always points in the same direction. That's why throughout the year, different parts of the Earth are in a direct view of the Sun. Scientists think the tilt was caused when the Earth was hit by a Mars-sized object named Theia, shortly after the Earth was formed. This theory, called the giant impact hypothesis, is thought to also be how the Moon was formed. So what if the entire planet experienced only one season? Well, instead of cycling between hot and cold weather, average temperatures would remain constant. This would have a big impact on plants and animals, and in turn, a huge impact on humans as well. There actually has sort of been an example of this over 200 years ago due to a volcanic eruption. When a volcano erupts, it releases dust, ash, and sulfur into the atmosphere that could block solar rays and actually cool the planet. These effects can last from months to years. The largest known eruption occurred in 1815, when Indonesia's Mount Tambora released so many particles into the air that it darkened the sky and affected the climate for months. In fact, due to this event, in the summer of 1816, New England and Europe experienced frost, snow, and ice storms throughout the summer months. This was later dubbed the year without a summer. But would an endless winter really be so bad? Think about all the skiing, or sledding, or hot cocoa drinking you could do. Well, if you happen to enjoy eating as I do, I have some bad news. While some very important crops like wheat, various vegetables, and some fruit trees require a period of cold to stimulate growth, they won't sprout until after it warms up. So without spring and summer, it would be nearly impossible to grow any produce or grains, or any other plant for that matter. During the year without a summer, many crops died from the frost and lack of sunshine, resulting in famine and poverty due to skyrocketing food prices. The cold temperatures also killed many animals, from sheep to birds. And without spring, you can forget any new animals being born. Most species time their mating behaviors to produce offspring in the warmer months, when there are lots of food sources. So it turns out that getting hit by that big rock was the best thing to happen to our planet. Without that tilt and our 4 seasons, life here would be pretty difficult.